The 2025 Toyota 6x6 Camper Motorhome is an absolute game-changer in the world of overlanding, offering a blend of rugged off-road capability with the kind of luxury typically reserved for high-end residences. This incredible vehicle is designed for those who seek the ultimate freedom of mobility without compromising on comfort, style, or convenience. In this video, we take you on a cinematic tour of the Toyota 6x6, showcasing both its striking exterior and sophisticated interior, filmed in stunning 8K detail to highlight every design element. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota 6x6 stands out with its aggressive and bold exterior, complete with a sleek, color, metallic paint finish and an ultra-glossy coating that exudes luxury. The oversized all-terrain wheels and reinforced chassis are a testament to its readiness for the toughest environments, whether you're traversing rugged mountain trails, desert sands, or snow-covered highways. The vehicle's six-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're heading to the wilderness for an extended stay or cruising along coastal highways, the Toyota 6x6 is built to dominate any terrain with ease. When you open the side door, you're greeted with an interior that rivals some of the most luxurious RVs on the market. The space has been meticulously designed with a modern aesthetic, featuring rich materials such as premium leather seating, polished teak wood cabinetry, and brushed aluminum accents. Every inch of the interior is a showcase of craftsmanship, offering both functionality and style in equal measure. The Smart Control touchscreen panel allows you to adjust everything from lighting and climate control to entertainment systems, making it a truly connected experience. The interior layout is perfect for long-term living on the road. The chef's kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a sleek induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, built-in microwave, and a full-size refrigerator. There's plenty of counter space to prepare meals, while the stone countertops add a luxurious touch. The rear sleeping area features a plush queen-size memory foam mattress, designed to ensure a restful night's sleep no matter where you are. Overhead storage compartments and underbed storage offer ample space to keep your gear organized, while ambient LED lighting enhances the mood and ambience of the cabin. Another standout feature of the 2025 Toyota 6x6 is its all-terrain air suspension, which is specially engineered to support the vehicle's heavy weight and ensure a smooth, comfortable ride, even on the roughest surfaces. With dual climate zones, you can adjust the temperature in different parts of the camper, keeping the living area cool while maintaining warmth in the sleeping quarters. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with a solar panel system and a battery bank, ensuring you have the power you need to stay off the grid for extended periods without worrying about running out of juice. For those who are always on the go, the Toyota 6x6 also includes a built-in security system with 360-degree cameras for surveillance and peace of mind while parked. The vehicle's sophisticated setup ensures that you can live, work, and travel anywhere with the confidence that your home on wheels is secure and well-equipped for any challenge. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota 6x6 Camper Motorhome represents the pinnacle of off-road luxury and adventure-ready technology. With its combination of rugged performance, high-end finishes, and state-of-the-art features, it is the perfect companion for those who demand the best of both worlds, the thrill of exploration and the comforts of home. Whether you're exploring the remote corners of Europe, traversing the American wilderness, or simply living the digital nomad lifestyle, the Toyota 6x6 offers everything you need for a premium mobile living experience.